I am Anuja and I welcome you to your very own show that is called Love with Astrology. Friends, we get our life only once. We fall in love once. We also get a chance to choose our soulmate just once. Then why does it happen that our soulmate, who makes promises to spend their life with us forever, finds it difficult to maintain the relationship? There are complications and then distances come. Does astrology have an answer to this? Can astrology help us with this in any way? To tell us this, we have a renowned astrologer and a famous love analyst, Acharya Satish ji. Without further ado, let's welcome him. Greetings, Acharya ji.
Hello, Anuja.
I welcome you to Love with Astrology.
Thank you.
So, friends, if you have any sort of issues with your love life, you have any confusion or any problem, all I have to say is don't think about it. Just pick up your phone and call on these numbers that are flashing on your TV screen so that you too get a chance to talk to Acharya ji. Acharya ji, a relationship status, a long-term relationship, to say if an affair is going on for around 5 to 10 years and are talking about marriage after a lot of hardship or however the marriage took place smoothly and immediately after marriage they start having problems. There are complications, they have distance. After marriage, what changed all of a sudden? What did they learn about each other that they couldn't see before marriage for so many years?
Look, Anuja, actually, this is a complete life analysis. We
Yes.
need to look at it very technically and systematically also.
Agreed.
When you are in a relationship, it is just a friendly relation. You behave like friends. Give and take is also quite friendly. There is no pressure on you, and the family also is not involved in it. One to one, it is one by one. I mean, they are one on one. When the relationship is transformed into marriage, when you get married or a similar event takes place, because life is about event and accident.
Yes.
But when we organize an event, over there, our astral chart has 12 houses. They all are activated at once. Your mom and dad, your parents, your brother, sister, your close relatives, your family, your situation at home. A lot of things are there which start to match up with each other.
Okay.
Maybe it is possible. When we match the horoscope where 8 points are different and everything has a meaning of its own. Maybe there is a possibility where you both do great together. But once you get married, I read this case
Yes,
just now in
yes.
mail. I mean, a few days passed by.
Yes.
They were in a relationship.
Yes.
They've been together for around 10 years in a relationship. After that, they convinced their family, and after getting married, the situation got such that it was difficult to stay even for a month. Why? Because of her mother. I mean, her sixth house is very heavy because Mars and Dragon Head are together in the sixth house. Look, I would like to understand this very clearly. Open your astral chart, Saturn and Mars and Mercury, no matter which house they are in, then for sure there will be a problem in marital life and you will have to marry only after finding a solution to this.
Oh.
Or else we might put all our strength into it, completely physically and mentally, after planning and putting a lot of effort and doing everything with enthusiasm.
We
After
won't
this
even
event,
know this
things
is
don't
happening.
work out, that
Yes.
marriage will not last for a month.
Yes.
She went back home in a month's time. And in this, there are her doings as well. There are her deeds as well. She borrowed 2 relationships at once. One was complete love,
Okay.
and one was half love. And she continued it after marriage also. So there are many such things
Yes,
which
the
are like that.
circumstances become so...
Such situations develop when you do something with all your heart into it, when you work very accurately. Look, there is perfect and there is perfection. When you are correcting these things accurately, then that is required for marriage. Marriage actually is such a thing that it is a way, it is a path where you have no turn really. And whatever turns are available, they lead you to darkness. You don't know where it will
they
lead
go,
to,
yes.
where you end up going. It is possible that after marriage you will be completely happy. That is possible. You are satisfied. you have a lot of wealth, you have everything. It is possible that after marriage, everything might go for a toss.
Go for a toss.
All
Acharya
this
ji,
is
that is
complete
why
about knowing.
that is why we need
Yes.
a guide and a mentor like
Yes.
you. And with this hope,
Yes.
we have callers who are calling us continuously. With your permission, I'd like to talk to a caller.
Yes, of course.
Hello? Yes, ma'am. Hello, welcome to Love with Astrology. Your name? Ankita Gupta. Miss Ankita, where are you calling from? From MP Devas.
Hello, Ankita. How are you?
Yes, greetings, Guruji. There are financial problems going on.
Okay.
We got married in 2014.
Uh-huh.
Ever since then, we are facing many problems. We had a baby in 2015 and he passed away.
Oh.
And we are really worried.
Give me your
So
date of
I-
birth, please.
My date of birth is 29th March 1990.
Okay, then time of birth.
11:25 in the morning.
Where were you born?
I was born in UP, Lucknow.
Lucknow.
Yes.
My dear, your marital arrangement states
Yes.
that the time was not right, and there is something to be done in a marriage where Pitri Puja. It has several
Yes.
names in several languages.
Yes.
Some call it Dev Pujan, some call it Pitri Pujan. It didn't happen in favorable conditions. In your marriage, Pitru is angry. You see a hint of it somewhere on Sunday, Saturday, or Tuesday. And besides that, secondly, on the day of event, your husband's place, an issue took
Yes.
place, and someone from your husband's side got hurt.
Yes.
And blood oozed out on that day. Just try and remember, there was blood on the auspicious task of your marriage. That means there was a defect because of which you are facing these issues. You said that your baby passed away and your panchmesh is down, and until this marriage is made auspicious again, then you will face these issues again and again. You will have financial issues, you will be in social distress, and your present marital life will also be difficult. It is not going to be easy on you because this will ruin your physical health too. Because of this, your health might get better or it might even get worse.
I am already expecting a baby
Yes,
in December.
yes.
So I wanted to ask about that. Will everything go fine?
So first of all, you have to wear Amrit Kavach. You have to wear it, and it is important to wear Amrit Kavach. Wear it without any worry or any kind of doubt. Also,
Yes.
whenever possible, perform Rudrabhishek, and that too with the help of Gurj. Perform
Yes.
Rudrabhishek with Gurj. It is available on a tree. It is yellow and it covers the whole tree.
Yes,
Perform
yes.
Rudrabhishek in Lord Shiva's temple and wear Amrit Kavach. These two things are very important, and light a lamp in your house and add some unrefined sugar into it. Try this remedy for sure. If God wills, you will lead a happy life.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Thank you, my dear.
Friends, if even you are going through a lot of problems, you find it difficult to handle your love life, and need the right guidance, then pick up your phone and call on these numbers that are flashing on your TV screen so that you can talk to Acharya ji as soon as possible. Acharya ji, just like you said
Yes.
that today we have discussed so
Yes.
many things, but you said that blood in any auspicious task.
Yes.
So what does this mean? How much importance does it hold?
Look, a fault happens due to a clash in Mars and Saturn and Mars and Mercury.
Yes.
And Anuja, to tell you the truth, there is a fact in the social system back in the time.
Okay.
Back in the time, we knew about this, and in detail, we knew about it.
Yes.
People have their own perspective on it. Some say that
Yes.
it is inauspicious,
Yes, yes.
some say it is unfortunate. The language might differ. People from different states know it in a different way, but the point is that this is still a fault, right?
Yes.
And this can be known with the astral chart. It can be understood with it. Before, after, in between, whenever. And first of all, you need to take advice from the right person and with simplicity. This is something that we can say that it is a positive aspect. It is not necessary that you can do this if you're a great
Yes,
person.
yes.
It is also not necessary that you need to have a lot of wealth for it. You need to follow your dharam. Not
Dharam.
money. You need to follow dharam.
Absolutely.
To reach the right place, you don't need to try very hard. You need God's blessing.
Acharya ji,
You should
callers
do
are
that,
calling
Deep.
to get in touch
Yes.
with you continuously.
Yes.
So I would want you to talk
Yes,
to
they're
our
welcome.
next caller.
They're absolutely welcome.
Hello? Hello, ma'am. Hello, welcome to Love with Astrology. Your name? Ma'am, my name is Chaya. Miss Chaya, where are you calling from? From Bhiwandi. From Bhiwandi. I welcome you to the show. You may talk to Acharya ji.
Yes, tell me, Chaya.
Actually, I was in a problem 2 years ago.
Yes.
So I'd called you like this and my problem was solved.
Yes.
Once again, I have the same issue. That's why I'm calling you. Because of you, my major issue got resolved.
Yes.
Miss Chaya, on such a huge platform, you shared with our viewers that with Acharyaji's guidance, your problem was solved. And we would like you to tell us what problem got solved so that our viewers are motivated. It was regarding a household issue.
Yes.
It was personal.
Yes.
Actually, my husband, he had left
Okay.
and he wasn't coming back. I was worried and talking about it.
All
Then
right.
Acharya ji, I contacted him there and I told him I followed his instructions. After that, the issue got solved.
That is amazing. It is very, very good news.
Thanks a lot, Chaya, because just like someone from your home, just like the support received from your family and reached where you are, so may God always keep you happy.
Viewers, if you have similar question in your mind, there is a problem in your love life, there are confusions, if you are facing slight issues in your life, then just pick up the phone and call on these numbers that are flashing on your TV screen so that you can get in touch with Acharya ji as soon as possible. Acharya ji, she said it in short.
Yes.
Can you please tell us in detail what her problem was?
Anuja, this is not all that complicated. She is an ordinary female.
Yes.
And you can say that in her life she was going through a lot of problems. Whenever
Okay.
she got married, she got betrayed every time. Actually, this was her third marriage. Two of them had already betrayed her. The third person went on dates with her regularly. He used to even tell her that she lives with him as his wife. He lived off her earnings. He used her earnings, but he did not marry her.
Oh.
And one fine day, he ran away with all her money. She didn't know the number, the place, his actual name, where he was from, who he was. She knew nothing, despite of being with him for 3 years.
Oh my.
In fact, when she found him, his family filed a case on her.
Oh, they filed a case on
Yes,
her because of her
the police
husband.
also got involved.
Oh my God.
And despite that, she has no money or arrangement. Even on the day that she had called, she had no arrangement to even eat. So we gave her something from my institute. They are my viewers who live near her. I spoke to them to make some arrangements for her. And the treatment was such that he didn't just come back. He apologized. And now, no matter how, be it whatever sort of work he is doing, sometimes he puts up a vegetable stall, sometimes
Okay.
he just started something now. He's working, but he's trying hard. He is putting in all his efforts and helping her with her life also. And he is living with her with love. He married her and is staying in a house.
Whatever that I'm listening here is
Yes.
too difficult to digest. It is a big thing in itself.
Yes.
It means a lot that you have changed her life all at once.
Yes, just like I say, that God is behind it.
Yes.
Whenever the medium is right,
Yes.
a very good doctor, a very good lawyer, a very good teacher, a very good mentor who is also your guide,
Guru.
in some way or the other, they are like your gods.
Absolutely.
Because somewhere
Absolutely.
they are the mediums of God because
Like
it
you.
is His will.
Yes.
He helps through them.
Absolutely.
That is why it happens.
Yes. Acharya
Yes.
ji, I would want you
Yes.
to teach the lesson of truth to our next
Yes.
caller. They are excited to talk
They
to
are
you.
absolutely welcome.
Hello?
Hello, tell me.
Yes, greetings. Welcome to Love with Astrology. Your name?
I am Sapna Yadav.
Miss Sapna, where are you calling from?
I am calling from near Indore in Singraul area.
Okay, from Singraul. Speak with Acharya ji.
Welcome, Sapna. Hello, how are you?
I am good, sir. Sir, I have a problem. My husband doesn't focus on me.
Sure, then tell me your date of birth.
Date is 3rd May 1983. Yes.
Time.
I want you to check if Sattu Amavasya was on that day or was it on 5th.
Okay, tell me the time.
I don't know the time.
You don't know the time. You cannot confirm the birth
I
date.
think it was
You are not sure
around,
about the year either. That is fine. You tell me a number between 1 to 9.
7.
7. So you've been married how many years?
6 years.
6 years. What's your husband's profession?
He actually he works at a cold storage.
If we talk the way you talk, the way you are
Yes.
speaking to me, I am also into voice reading. If I say as per that, then this relationship is some way getting worse due to anger, ego, and the language used. Understand what I am saying?
Yes.
It would make a difference if you understand the way I say it. Right? And the reason behind it is the third position of his astral chart, which means that he has a younger sibling.
Yes, he does.
So then that resource is disorganized, because of which your marital life isn't great.
Yes, yes.
You need to change the way of presenting yourself. Your focus should be on beauty. Also, you need to work on the way you speak all the time. Also, more than during the day, make sure to work on your life from evening to night and wear better clothes and use sandalwood perfume also. And if you want to do much better, then offer sandal in the temple with the sandal. Light the lamp with ghee in the temple. If you can let it burn for a long time, then it would be better. Also, leave it on water. 5 types of fruits on every lunar phase of the new moon. Things will work out. Worship Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Your life will get much better. You will be happier. You will just have to add one more thing. You will have to stop wearing black and blue clothes. Be it innerwear or be it outerwear, you need to stop wearing those colors.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for calling. Friends, if you have any question in your mind and for some reason your call is not connecting, you are unable to talk to Acharya-ji, then you can call him even after the show, because these lines are 24/7 open. Other than that, you can also drop an email with your problems, but do mention your details without fail. Acharya-ji,
Yes.
just like she said that there
Yes.
are so many problems, but you had no details.
Yes.
But we know
Yes.
that you are into voice reading and
Yes.
face reading too. On the basis of that, to a great extent, maybe if she meets you, then you will be able to solve her
Yes.
problem and guide her. How do you manage to handle such viewers and their problems?
Anuja, like you know very well, whenever you get to know the reason of anything, like I told her the third position is bad, it is possible because of the younger sibling.
Yes.
She agreed to both of the
Yes,
things. That is a problem. When you connect the problem, finding an answer becomes easy.
Yes.
You can easily make it right.
You are right,
Yes.
Acharya-ji, and I will hope that
Yes.
our viewers who are seeing and listening to
Yes.
us should keep what you said in mind
Yes.
and focus on how dedicated you are towards
Yes.
everyone, and you support them willingly. So they just need a response and
Yes, you're
connect
right.
to them.
Absolutely.
I thank you a lot, Acharya-ji,
Sure.
that you guided our viewers, our callers, and everyone
Yes.
so well. Thank
Yes,
you.
thanks to you too.
Thank you so much. Friends, if you want to meet Acharya-ji personally and are worried, you seem that you are lost and are waiting to be on the right track, then contact on this address. Our address is 8 by 220 Anand Keshav Apartments, flat number 308, Aryanagar, Kanpur 208002, Uttar Pradesh. Our email ID is castroindia2010@gmail.com. Our website is www.lovewithastrology.com. You can like us on Facebook. Friends, if your love is testing you, then you should face that test and give your best with trust and hope. I will leave you today on this note. We will meet again in the next episode of Love with Astrology. Till then, take care, be cheerful, because we care for you. If you like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can even write your queries in the comment box down below. To get an appointment with Acharya Satish Ji, you can even call